Hi, this is Pratik. It's a brief overview about the Capstone project I have built for the 5 days of AI agents intensive course by Google. So for an idea for the agent, I have gone with my domain expertise and the industry right now I'm currently working in. So this agent particularly I have built for brands to do a visual QC on their content, which is the content they use to sell their products online, right? Which is currently a very manual process. Now, why I felt that this is a good project to build is because currently this doing checking on the images is a very manual process, right? And is very subjective also. Also, to add to this, right, the images has been utilized in a lot of marketplaces like Amazon or any other marketplaces, which has their own technical guidelines about the images, which has to be checked for images to go live or a product to go live on a marketplace. Now, overall, the reason why I felt that this particular agent could give a very high ROI to enterprises is because it could save a lot of manual hours which is going into this QA QC activity. So the effort could be reutilized to doing a lot of creative work, right? Which could give a higher impact. Also, if all the content is very brand standardized, then the brands could see a higher conversions also. And also, whenever the brand is launching any new product, since this QA QC is done very faster way, it could improve their go-to-market time also. Now, what I have done is I have taken a LLM ability to analyze the image. Okay, I have taken a Python tool to understand the technical aspects of the image, like resolution and technical issues with the images. Also, I have given as a context a brand guideline to this agent where it will analyze all the brand guidelines of the particular company or enterprise and then check if the images are correct background color matching to the marketplace's guidelines or not, right? So these are very technical aspects of the image. Now, this is the overall architecture I've gone with, where the agent is given an input as an image and also provided a brand guideline and a tool which basically can check the technical aspects of the image. Okay, let me just take you through the code. So once the basic setup is done for the agent, so this is a custom tool I have built to just to check the technical aspects of the image, which is the image resolution, aspect ratio, color space, file size, and everything. And I have given a context to the agent in form of the brand guideline of a particular brand, right? Like say background color, lighting, any other restrictions of a color, brand colors, right? What can be utilized in the image. So once the agent is initiated, we can give an image to the agent to analyze it. Once that analysis is done, what the agent will do is it will check for any violations, right? Now in this scenario, the agent has checked there is a violation of the images having a red background color versus a pure white background color. Okay. And then it is check the visual analysis also, that how is the lighting, compositing of the image, then technical aspects. So that the technical specs is checked by a Python tool. Okay. And then a decision has been made that okay, this image particular in this scenario was rejected due to a critical violation of a background color, right? Now instead of just stopping here and then giving a user feedback that hey, your image is rejected or approved, what we are doing is we are tapping into the memory function also of the agent, where uh, the agent is providing a advice how this image could be fixed, right? Now in this scenario, since the only issue with this image was the red background, so the agent has provided an advice that hey, why don't you replace the red background to a band standardized color, which is a pure white. Okay, so this is the code right now what I built. Now overall, what I feel as a value proposition, doing this particular activity of checking all the images through agentic workflow or agent could improve the speed, uh, and it will have a lot of precision in his work. Plus, it is more scalable versus deploying more workforce, more manual workflows, manual hours into this work. Due to this, lot of cost efficiency a enterprise or a brand could gain. Okay, so this was the overall overview about the project I have built. In case any questions you have, you could reach out to me. Thank you.